Star, see that up. Star, copies all, go ahead. Message to observers, Alpha 3 rounds, AC delay in effect, 3 guns. Bravo, 2 rounds, 2 guns, smoke on.
Alright, this is the Bushmaster arm pistol. So, what is the Bushmaster arm pistol? So, is it a rifle? Is it a bullpup? Or is it a pistol? So, which of the three? The Bushmaster arm pistol was designed during 1972 and developed all the way to 1990. So, like what I said, it was designed for pilots so that they could carry more than just a .38 revolver when they get shot down by anti-aircraft fire. So, as you can see, this is your charging handle. This is your selector lever. So although it doesn't fire full auto, so you have that, and safe. This is safe. And this is fire. Then this is your long stroke gas piston system. So when you charge the gun, so it's very similar to an AR-15 design. So as you can see, you have your AR pistol grip, trigger, and yeah. Alright, so a brief story about this particular Bushmaster arm pistol. So this was lent to us by a friend who's in the Air Force. So this was his dad's personal weapon during the 1980s. So it's one of the rare pieces out there, and this is my first time to see this bullpup or rifle or pistol, whatever you call it, in Philippine hands. It's even rare in the US right now. So overall impression, if you're gonna use this in personal defense or self-defense, so I would rather recommend something else than this one. So this gun had jammed a lot of times, even with the PMags, but you know, compared to other mags that we ran, it's much smoother and it functions more. So the Bushmaster arm pistol, like what I said, was too complicated and too advanced during its time. So eventually it was phased out and discontinued by Bushmaster itself. Even through the course of development, it has its ups and downs, but mainly it showed a lot of weakness rather than strength.
Get to the chopper, do it now!